Hello there, no doubt you've seen the thumbnail and you know what's coming, but I just thought I'd give you a quick rundown on what this vehicle is and where it's come from. So this is the Pub Crawler. It is a motorised picnic bench. It's built on top of a Westwood ride-on lawnmower chassis. A few years previously, Eddie and Rob, who I rented the barn off at the old barn, I invited them to Retro Rides gathering, and I said to them, it's encouraged to have some sort of toy to ride around the campsite in. And Rob said, you know what, I've always fancied doing a motorised picnic bench. So it was sort of a joint venture, and by joint venture I mean I provided barely running lawnmower, and then Ed and Rob spent the next 3 days solid creating this masterpiece. And then I think I asked on Instagram what would be a good name for it, because we used to just call it the motorised picnic bench, and somebody, Dan Slight I think it was, he came up with the Pub Crawler, which is absolutely perfect. Now, some of the features on this: it has got a 460 single cylinder Kawasaki side valve engine. It has got, I believe, 5 gears, I can't quite remember, and 1 reverse. This, which of course turns this, but it also is the steering. It's got electric start, LED headlights, and a tow bar. I wonder if it could ever tow anything. Anyway, that's enough of me talking. Here is a little bit of footage from last weekend where a few of us got together at the old barn, sort of had a few beers and said goodbye to the place, and decided to go for a little adventure on the Pub Crawler. We are taking the Pub Crawler picnic bench to the pub. I'm not even kidding you. So this is a good idea. We're off to the pub. We've been travelling since Thursday. Bye, mate. Bye. I don't think he'd take it. It is 6 points each for driving. Good or 6 points between everybody. Oh, shit. What have you done? I pulled the knob off. Where's the knob gone? The knob fell off. I tried to look for Adam to go stuck down there, lad. In the middle of a blind bend. What a place to go down there. Oh no, it didn't come out. It's still in here somewhere. Go boys, go! He hasn't got your about this time. Yeah, got it. See you later! Wait, where am I? You're watching your favourite,
Which one was mine?
Cardiff is a lot further away than you think.
Oh.
I binned it, mate. It was dead.
Oh no. Well, I'll get another one out. Success.
Cheers.
Yeah. Eye contact.
Yeah.
Cheers, boys.
No, it's facing the wrong way.
No. Right. Less throttle.
We're going backwards. We're going backwards.
That way. Right.
We came from that way. Mate. Oh, God.
You've ruined everything. Now where are you going?
Right. Oh, right. Stop. Richard.
It's all right. Richard, turn the lights on. The switch.
Are we going that way? Right.
Yeah. Give us some more revs.
This is what I actually play. I don't know a lot about it.
Nah, it's not.
Yeah, we ain't gonna pick it, are we? Let's be honest.
Go the left and the left.
Got it. No cars going down the road. Don't hit the petrol pump. You're gonna wait for them.
Nah. What's on the police? No, it's a roof rack. It's a roof rack.
Let's go! We're not being neutral.
Yeah, let's roll it.
How much have you got in the way of brake?
Nah, nothing.
You can't get off already. There is actually no brake.
Boys, wait for me.
on bloody real. We made it to the pub and back on the pub crawler, which is a ride on lawnmower with a picnic bench on top. We bloody did it.
Hope you enjoyed watching that, even a tenth as much as we enjoyed making it. It was a good laugh. Like I said previously, it was like a joint venture between me and Rob and Ed. Unfortunately, I've moved away from the area now, but a negotiation has been struck, and it's one of my projects now. It lives here, so that's brilliant. It's with me now. And where I said it's got a tow bar, does it tow? Well, here's the answer. Hope you enjoyed watching. Catch you in the next one, where I never know what I'm really going to be doing, but it's going to be something to do with wheels, engines, crap vehicles, the usual stuff. See you in the next one. Bye.